Hi, welcome to Believa, and today we are having our episode 1 on this channel. And I'm truly grateful for this because finally it's day 1, right? So, I come today with one simple question. Why do we pray? Because in my life I have explored everything like manifestation, scripting, journaling, praying, and much more. And then I was just walking on the terrace and just thinking about these all things, like everything is connected, like synchronicity and divine power and these all things. And then this question just came to my mind that okay, what is prayer? Why do we pray? Then I get to know that okay, this is something that I have realized. This is my totally a personal experience कि many most of the manifestation guru says that कि manifestation only comes true when you believe that you have achieved that. Like if I want a big car, if I want any kind of specific job, right? If I believe that like I have that already, I have that job already, I'm living the life that I want to live through that job, right? So I have to believe that I have achieved that. And sometimes we can't believe in that. We use affirmations in the manifestation, right? We are affirming those sentences like I have a big car, I have that job, I'm living the best of my life, I'm living the best moments in my life. But still, deep inside, you don't believe in that because there is nothing in reality. What happens is when you pray to your God, when you pray to your higher power, in the power you believe in, okay, you say those all things to that God, like God, I really want that car, and you never disappoint me, you always give me the things that I ever asked, right? You always give me, you never disappoint me, you have done this for me, you have done this for me, you have done this for me, and you remind all the things that you have got from the God. Got it? So how does it work? It means that when you pray to God, you make your belief stronger. Like whenever I pray to God, there is a one side when I'm just doing affirmations, and there's another side when I'm saying those affirmations, but I'm saying those affirmations to God. Manifestation works, but along with manifestation is something that you affirm, something that you meditate and do a lot of other things. But when it comes to pray, you just go in a quiet place, and you and your God, in whatever God you believe in, you just go for the meditation. You just close eyes and just imagine those all things. Again, imagination comes here, like you have to visualization whatever the things that you want in your life. And these all are the things that I was thinking at the terrace, like everything is connected. But when God comes in this game, your belief become more strong, because you feel very lighter, because you have this in mind that I have already told to God, he listens to my prayer, so he will give me, I don't have to worry about anything, right? So manifestation, visualization, prayer, and these all things are connected to each other. But what I have realized in my life, when these all things are connected and when I pray to God with these all things, my belief becomes stronger. And when belief becomes stronger, the things that you want to do in your life, the things that you want to attract in your life actually happened in your life. Because prayer with belief and prayer to God, and with these all things, you will get everything that you want to have in your life. This is something I have realized. This is my opinion that I really wanted to share with you all. And I hope you guys understand what I want to say in this video. And if you feel like these all things, like if you really feel this is something true and this is something that help you to get a new perspective, you can share in the comment. I would love to read that. And if there is something that you want to ask me about these all things, I'm really happy to answer your questions as well. And if you want to get a visualization of this image of this, or want to get a PDF of my videos and whatever I say in the videos, right, then you can comment below. I'll definitely give you. Thank you so much. This is all about today's video. Do subscribe my channel for the future videos.